Hey guys, it's Haley again with Vapor Awning Technologies. I'm once again here with Hunter. He's our expert and he's going to tell us a little bit about the machines we've got.
Yeah, so right here we have the 800 FL Pro. This is a brand new machine. You might recognize the name under the plastic machine. So this machine is stainless steel. So it's going to provide a little more durability. There's a lot of great features that can benefit you with this machine. And we'll start with the first one, which is the precision air regulator. This regulator is on a different location on the cabinet. It's on the top left corner, so it's easier to access and it's a little bit bigger so you can see the numbers a little bit better and where you're adjusting your airflow to.
Awesome. Doesn't it have more lighting too?
Absolutely. So in this cabinet, you're going to get 2 of the 2-foot LED strip lights. You're going to get 1 above the gloves and 1 on the ceiling of the cabinet. So this is going to provide you front lighting to see your part a little bit better, and then lighting from the top so you can get lighting on a broad spectrum across the entire cabinet.
That's great, Hunter. So isn't there an easier way on this machine that allows you to have a better visual?
Absolutely. So this machine has a wiper. So this provides an extra layer of clear sightline to your parts inside of the cabinet. You're still going to have a window rinse to keep your window lubricated while the wiper wipes the screen. That way the media does not scratch it. So it's super beneficial to have that feature.
And there's an open and closed loop. What exactly does that mean?
Yeah, so the open loop is going to require direct water source connection. It's also going to require a drain source. There is an advantage over closed loop with open loop in that it keeps your water fresher for longer, since you always have that fresh water source incoming for the window rinse and the internal rinse down nozzle. You also have the closed loop, which mitigates the need for the water source and the drain source. This is going to be a 2-basin setup that's going to have a sediment tank on it where all of your contaminants settle after they come out of the cabinet. The bottom basin is going to recirculate that water into the window rinse and internal rinse. It keeps your water fresh, just not as long, might require a change out earlier than an open loop system will. But you also have the advantage that it moves wherever the machine moves. It's always accessible to the machine, and it saves you anywhere from maybe a quarter to a half gallon of water per hour. So lots of advantages there. I highly recommend the closed loop system, super beneficial.
Awesome. So there's also 3 other features that make this machine great. Can you tell me about those?
Yeah, so we have an inline air filter on this machine. We also have the automatic overflow valve and a high volume pump with a polyurethane impeller.
All right, thanks Hunter for joining me today and again letting us know all this great information. You guys can give Hunter here a call at 828-220-5012.